Hi, now I'm going to explain you publisher subscriber project. This web-based application. To develop this project we used 5 softwares: JDK 1.7 and Eclipse IDE for front end side, and back end side MySQL and SQL York. Server we used Tomcat server. To run the web-based application, firstly we have to start Tomcat server. Once we started server in console, server startup it has to come. So server is ready to execute our application. In browser localhost :8080 is the Tomcat port number, and then Tomcat manager, username admin, password admin. So in our application list we have to select publisher and subscriber. Secure publisher subscriber blockchain based pair payment with reputation for reliable physical system. So here document sharing, like in between department we are sharing the documents in secure manner. This is the aim of this project. Here three actors are there: admin, data owner and user. User has to log in using their username and password. After admin logging, admin has to create the owner details. Owner I am giving as Priya. At the time of owner creation we are generating the two keys. One is RNS public and private key and DES key. Next, admin is maintaining some departments and specialization, and he has to log out. Already admin created the data owner, so using that username password, data owner has to log in. After logging, data owner can view his profile details and edit and change password, and data owner can able to see existing user details, and he can able to view request details, and he is the person to provide the secret key to the users. And file upload. While file upload, blockchain concept we used here. Blockchain is a decentralized technology, like peer-to-peer technology. So blockchain generally having one architecture. First one is header and body. Header contains Genesis block, previous hashtag, current hashtag or root hashtag, timestamp, nonce. These four are the header of the blockchain. Body is our actual content, whichever file we are uploading, that is our body. So now I'm uploading the one file. You can assume this is our first file in your application. So for this file we are generating hashtag using SHA-1 algorithm. This is current hashtag, and previous file current hashtag here we are taking as current file Genesis block. So first transaction, so obviously the Genesis hashtag is 0, and timestamp at what time you are uploading the file, that time, system date and time we are taking. Nonce random number we are generating. So these four parameters we are making as one file, and we are giving name as confidential key. Our body content has to encrypt using RNS public key. The encrypted body and header tag confidential key both we are merging, and we are making as zip format. That zip format we are storing inside the cloud storage. The assumption is like we are using one cloud, and like that cloud contains one cloud is in India, other cloud is in like Australia. So two different countries are three different countries, like our storage place is their peer-to-peer place, so that it's difficult to act in one place. Means it's easy to act some ethical hackers and all, but if we are storing in peer-to-peer technology, so we are giving more security to our application. So file upload is success, and here we can see our metadata. This is called metadata. Genesis hashtag 0, and in current hashtag of our file, our block name is b1.zip. Nonce random number we generated 0963. And the next, whichever file data owner is uploaded, he has to provide the access control. So Times of India and Diamond. And one more thing also, you can provide Deccan Herland and then Platinum. So these two department people can able to access the file. So inside the department, inside one department, the group of people can share the files. And transaction, the data owner can see what all the files uploaded by him, that he can see, and log out. Now user has to log in. Before logging in, the user need to do the registration. So user ID I given Hanu and password also Hanu. Department Times of India Diamond, and next then Deccan Herland and Platinum, which is suitable for that file, so that we can show the proof like the same department people can able to access the file which is uploaded by data owner. To this registered email ID, user is receiving the one key. That key name is called MDK, identity token key. Now I have to log in as my mail. Here I have to give my username Anu and password also Anu. After once we are giving correct XML password, we need to give the MD key. The MD key contains the hashtag of the current user. Next, user can view their profile details, and he can edit and he can change password. And user want to download one file, so that user has to give request to the data owner. The request using MD key, we are sending request to the data owner. Now again we have to log in as data owner. Expiry date 2. Within 2 days, the user can able to download the file in number of times. More than that, he trying to accessing means the message will come like expired of secret key. So the registered user mail ID, user is receiving the secret key, which is useful to decrypt the file and getting the original text. So we have to download the secret key of this file. Using the secret key, the file is downloading from cloud, and the zip format file has to get unzipped. After unzip, inside the file like header of the blockchain and body, the content of original file, both it is there. So the body has to get decrypt using your RNS private key, and it's providing to you original content. And then user can view the transaction details, then log out. Thank you.